Let's go. Yeah, I'm reaching for the stars, and even though it's hard, I'll pursue. Always on the grind, taking over my life. But it'll be worth it in the end. Seeing the final pictures right before my eyes, slowly losing my mind. But in time, I swear I'll be fine. It's like a window at the pains me. All the things you're doing, yeah, it's sending me crazy. All the times you told me, baby, but in reality, you just made me. Now it's time to resurrect and build myself back up to the way I used to be. And truthfully, me and music go together in unity. It'll be a damn beautiful eulogy if you try to make a fool of me. As a monster, just like Shaggy Dan, Scooby-Doo. You see, I'll just spread wings and fly, won't let my fire die. Just keep my eye on the prize. Laugh at your demise, while I devise a plan to get to the top. Then you can watch me strive. Come on, keep it going, guys, come on. Can't you? Come on, keep it going, come on, louder. Raising all the levels and I'm smashing it up. Yeah, this music got me grooving, finally riding the bus. Got me too damn disapproving, we are always moving, we're just doing what we're doing, all in order to progress. I hate to play it in the game. No, it doesn't matter that you got me switching lanes. Spitting lyrics on any instrumental, thought it all terrain in the autumn rain, cause it's all the rage. It won't take no altercation to be a lyrical sensation. No, I'm not an alien, but my life is out of this world, man. Yeah, let's take it old school. My mama ain't raised no fool. Yeah, you think you're so cool? Thinking you from Hollywood. Hey. Go on, keep it going. Come on. I got big ambitions, I got my superstitions, all my hopes and wishes. They be from my dearest. I started from the bottom. I took my time to come up. I was gonna do all of now. There's no more tears. Yeah, I'm feeling more than wholesome. Know that I'm one step closer to all the sold out shows and living so damn comfortable. Yeah.
Well done, Ben. Kelly, what did you think of Ben's performance tonight?
I always look forward to you when you come up because I'm a huge fan of how you write. And there was a lot of words in there, and your raps and your lyrics are so complicated. I do think you put a lot of pressure on yourself sometimes with that, and I think sometimes they can cause a little bit of a hurdle for you. But I do absolutely love your writing, and I really, really enjoyed that performance again. The lyrics were really creative, they were really intelligent, and have you hired me up?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, right, okay, sorry, that freaked me out then, because my voice was getting louder. I really enjoyed listening to the lyrics, I really do, because you can feel them, you really, really can. So well done, it was a great performance.
Thank you.
Joey?
Yeah, your songwriting is definitely like a really, really strong point of yours. I love the lyrics and that, the message and that was really lovely. And your rhyming skills are insane. Like, I think it was Kel, she made a comment about it a couple of weeks ago, like the way you rhyme your words is really clever and really creative. I love the backing track, it complimented you really well. It was like really beaty and upbeat. It was lovely to see you confident and comfortable, especially after last week. But everything about that was fab, like the rhythm, the diction, your pronunciation. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Well done.
Thank you.
Louise?
Yeah, Ben, I think you've got such a good flow. Like, you writing, I've not seen your other performances, but this song, I thought it was really clever. You've got such long phrases, and picking up on what Kelly said about sometimes being a hurdle, I think you like almost run out of breath sometimes. So just when you're writing, write it smart, you know, leave yourself a split second just to grasp a breath so that you're not kind of jumping over yourself to catch up. But I really enjoyed it. I appreciate anyone who can write like that, so massive well done.
Ben, in terms of what you can do, we've mentioned before, like in terms of lyrically and your writing skills are fantastic. Like literally when they're on and you listen to the message, it's like, wow, this guy's got like, his brain is just so creative lyrically. In terms of your presentation, this was definitely better than last week, so it's definitely a step forward. So you should be proud of what you've done today. The thing is, in future now from you, just keep working on that confidence thing, like in front of a crowd, because as a rapper, you should be out there and owning it like that. But it was definitely a step forward, so you're on the right path. Well done, buddy. Round of applause for Ben, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.